For the days when versatility is the most important part of your kit, the Trailfarer shorts have your back. Crafted from a lightweight recycled polyester and spandex blend that breathes, wicks moisture, and moves comfortably, the Trailfarer shorts are the ideal pair of go-anywhere running shorts. A 4.5-inch inseam adds coverage and reduces chafing while still preserving complete range of motion, so you can cruise without restriction or distraction. The liner-free design is versatile, allowing you to customize what you wear underneath for a comfortable fit and complete ease of movement. The high-rise cut is supported by an internal draw cord that allows you to fine-tune your ideal comfy yet secure fit. There's also a back snap pocket for any snacks or must-haves, and the shorts can be stuffed into the back pocket for an easy storage solution and packing on the go. The Trailfarer shorts are do-it-all running shorts that breathe, wick moisture, and let you move freely, so you can find comfort wherever the day takes you.